Welcome back to Messy Garage. It's raining out today, so no riding. Got a little rain on my windshield. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to take a rainy day. We're going to do a small project. I'm going to show you how to create something pretty easy, pretty simple to mount your windshield on the wall when you're not using it. I don't like to use my windshield all the time, especially when it's nice out, nice sunny day, warm. I like to have the wind blowing in my face and through my hair. But when it's cold out, I need this. So I want to make sure it's on the wall, safe and secure. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys really easy how to make a wall mount for it. So we'll get into it. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating two, look like T's. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some gloves on first because the ones I got are kind of oily. But what it's made up of is a floor flange. So we got that there. And then next you're going to want a 3-inch here. And then a T, then 2/8, and a couple caps. So hopefully the rain's not too loud. But I'll show you real quick, real easy how to do this. First thing you're going to do is just screw these two together. And these are oily, so that's why I'm wearing gloves. What I'm going to do after this, I'll spray these down with some degreaser. Spray them with some primer, and then put a nice color on them. So that's what you're going to have. This is going to be on the wall like that. And then take 2 of these 8s. I'll leave Amazon links for everything that I'm using in the video. So put that on like that. Yeah, it's really coming down now. Rainy day, you're not riding, you might as well build some stuff, right? So here is the other T. You could be done right there if you wanted to. I'm going to finish it off with some caps just to make it look finished. And I almost was going to do this with PVC. It would be cheaper, but the paint I don't think is going to look the same on PVC. And it may, over time, especially in Indiana where I'm at, got cold and heat cycles, that PVC may get a little crackly, and I didn't want to risk having my windshield, which, as you know, are not cheap, hanging up on the wall and then just falling while I'm gone someday, and then coming home to a broken windshield. So that's what it looks like. You make 2 of these, mount them on the wall, measure between your spools. This is going to be taken up where your spool is. So let's say this is the bottom. I'm going to make another one of these up here to be the top. Mount them on the wall after you've painted them, do whatever you want to do to them. And then you should be able just to mount your windshield, boom, down on the bottom, roll it forward on the top, and then lock it in. So what I'm going to do, I'll finish this other one off camera. I'll get mine finished in the color of my choice, and then I'll show you when we're ready to hang on the wall and test it out. So, all right. Really easy. I'll leave a link for all of these parts. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 14 parts altogether. You can probably find them cheaper. I'll leave Amazon links to where you can get these. All right. So let me finish this up and join you back. To take some brake cleaner, spray these things off, get all the oil off of them. And I haven't painted them yet. I might still paint them. I don't know. So what I did is I just mounted them to the wall. So you'll see them back here. And they're pretty sturdy. So now all you've got to do is take your windshield off. Mine's filthy from riding. And then You just use these as if they're the spools. Make sure you clip it in so you're not gonna lose your windshield off the wall. And there it is. So it's on the wall, out of the way. You don't need to worry about it getting scratched up, something falling on it. So it works out pretty good. Again, I didn't paint these. They look pretty cool like that. I was thinking about painting them red because everything, red makes everything go faster, gives it more horsepower. But for the time being, I'm just gonna leave them raw on the wall like that. I think it looks cool. So anyway, I'll leave a link in the description, the video description, of where to get all of the parts. Again, you can use other parts if you want to. These are the ones that fit really well. So you could use different kinds of steel. You use PVC if you want to, but again, I don't know if PVC is going to hold up, and I didn't want to risk it. So, all right, that's it. Quick project on a rainy weekend, and it's dark out now, so I'm going to get to bed. Thanks a lot for watching. Like and subscribe. Talk to you later.